Genesys Cloud Call Center for Business Honest Review. Watch before using. You won't believe how much customer experience can affect business growth. And that's why Genesys Cloud has become one of the most trusted call center platforms worldwide. Genesys Cloud is a cloud-based contact center solution that helps businesses manage calls, chats, emails, and customer interactions in one system. Here's what most people get wrong. They think call center software is only about answering phones. Genesys goes much deeper. It offers call routing, call recording, analytics, customer history tracking, and AI-powered tools that help agents respond faster and more accurately. The surprising truth is that companies using optimized contact center software often see higher customer satisfaction and lower churn. Genesys Cloud is scalable, meaning small teams and large enterprises can use the same platform. It is best for customer service teams, sales teams, and support departments that want smoother workflows and better reporting. If your business relies on customer communication, Genesys Cloud can significantly improve your service quality. Subscribe to the channel for more business software reviews.